And welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rapiana, and today I have this super quick 5-minute hair install video. This wig was sent from Unice Hair. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. So this is available on Amazon Prime. You'll get it in a couple of days or so. We love Amazon Prime, and yeah. Anyways, let's go ahead and jump right into this hair review. This is going to be a straight out of the box hair tutorial. I only have 5 minutes, so I can't do all of the things that I normally would do in my hair video and really take my time. So again, this is straight out the box, and I'm working with what was given to me, and that's it. That's all. So I did it to the best of my ability. I actually think it turned out pretty cute. So let's just go ahead and get to the specs of this wig. This is Unice's Bye Bye Knots wig. I've reviewed plenty of these in the past like year and a half, 2 years. I feel like this year their updated wig units just kind of come with that updated drawstring, which I've already showed at the beginning of this hair video, and I will show you guys tightening at the end. This is also in 22 inches, and I have her in a water wave texture. Now, straight out of the box, it does not look that bad, you guys. Of course, it comes with that pre-everything, so pre-cut, pre-bleach, pre-plucked. It has the pre-baby hairs already cut and informed for us. It's pre-parted down the middle, and it's technically pre-styled because, again, today I'm not using any product. This is straight out of the box, and I have to work with what I have. So very good lace. I would say it does come light, and I'm a deeper skin tone, so I definitely have to use my foundation, but as soon as I put my foundation on, it would definitely blend all together. And yeah, this was actually very easy. I actually recommend this wig unit to girls who are just pure lazy, don't want to deal with frontals and the glue and stuff like that. I literally used no product in my hair today at all. I literally just used my foundation to blend in, and I tightened it with that drawstring, which you guys will see at the end of this hair video, and that's how I got it to look really good. So I definitely recommend this for just like complete beginners. Like, this is the most beginner friendly wig unit. I don't know, maybe because it was just like 5 minutes. I wasn't really sitting down for that long to do this hair video. But it was like literally straight to the point. And I tried to like fluff out the curls as much as I possibly could. But you guys know, once again, I always come on camera with my hair fluffed and air dried and stuff like that, curl defined. So we weren't going to get that look today, but I did the best that I could do in this hair tutorial with the time that I had. So anyways, I do think that this is a really good wig unit. You guys should definitely try it out if you're looking for something super quick and easy to put on. And yeah, that's all that I have for you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.